And this is where I get to introduce some amazing people. Your name is?
Joseph.
Breanna.
Michael.
Reese.
Alrighty. It's not every day that we encounter acts of pure kindness and honesty, especially in unexpected places. But today I'm honored to introduce someone who embodies these values or virtues and to the fullest. While camping outside in the majestic Redwoods State Park in California, Breanna stumbled upon a lost phone. Then she didn't just leave it at the nearest lost and found so it'll be lost again and never found. She went above and beyond, trekking miles to return it to its rightful owner without expecting anything in return. In a world where integrity can sometimes seem scarce, Breanna's selflessness and commitment to doing the right thing shine brightly. She reminds us that there are still genuinely good-hearted people among us. People who do the right thing simply because, I don't know, it's the right thing to do. Breanna is a perfect example of the kind of person we need more in this world. And we are incredibly grateful for her actions. So thank you, Breanna, for your honesty, your kindness, and most of all, for setting such a beautiful example for all of us. So, for those who couldn't figure it out from the beginning, Breanna found April's phone that was lost. She sent me a text message saying, "Hey, I found your phone, blah, blah, blah." We offered to drive there to get it. She even offered to come all the way out to where we were camping at. So, that's really awesome of her. So, she definitely is a perfect example of the way everybody should be. And I'm pretty sure this world would be a lot better off if we had more people like her. So, back to the video of Jedediah State Park. Hope you enjoy it. We are in the Jedediah Smith State Park in the Redwoods. As you can tell by the big trees. But look at the size of this guy. Banana slug. I'm gonna call him Speed Racer. Look at him go. Give you an idea of size. Look how big he is. He is just racing up this stump.